think sound and any art really, it doesn't have to be sound, but art in general, I think can do a better job communicating feelings than words can. I mean, words are kind of limited in some way. Whereas if you hear a song that maybe you used to listen to years ago and you hadn't heard it, and then you hear it again in your car or at the
Mhm.
supermarket or whatever, it kind of transport you right back to that point in time in your life. And you could be shopping for eggs and have tears streaming down your face. And, sound and music and art or a picture could do the same thing. Art really has the ability to let us feel and express our feelings in a way that language might be limited in. So
Yeah. I when you said that, it